I'll let you in on a secret. Life is better when you make space for what you love. This world will rob you of every ounce of happiness that you possess if you let it. You have to be intentional about giving yourself something to look forward to.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have been so inspired recently to find little things every day to live beautifully, and I think that this can go hand in hand with the concept of romanticizing your life. I'm going to share with you some things that you can do today to help you live beautifully while doing all of the things that you have to do or need to do or even want to do. But instead of making it feel like chores, think of it as something that you actually get to do. So grab something to drink. I'm actually making a really nice matcha latte. Have this video running in the background and let us get ready to romanticize our life, to make beautiful moments out of our everyday little activities. Fresh flowers in your home can bring a boost of color and a touch of nature indoors, and it creates such a welcoming and vibrant atmosphere. You don't even have to spend a lot, which is something that I've learned recently. You can simply get a rose, a sunflower, and a stem of baby's breath, and that's all I used. And this little arrangement made me feel good. It immediately picked up my kitchen. It made me happy every time I saw it, and whether it's placed in a stylish vase or scattered in a small jar, this is such an easy way to uplift any space.
From the top, hit restart. So far it's been so hard to live, but lately something in me changed. Let it go, let it be. Don't fight your way back in. Let me go, let me be. It's time that we begin. Welcome to a new life. Dripping in gold, that's nice. Welcome to a new life. Everything feels so right till I opened up my eyes. I thought I was defeated, but all I ever needed was just a little space and time to open up the ceiling, a different kind of healing. I feel alive. Can you feel it? I can feel it. I feel alive.
Okay, I know what you're thinking. Cleaning and organization is not what we want to be doing, but let me just say, if you organize and clean one space at a time, you can avoid that feeling of overwhelm. You can avoid that clutter building up and just the space becoming too unmanageable, which is something that I've been so guilty of in the past. So start with a small area like a desk or a single drawer. Today I'm tackling underneath my kitchen sink. It is not that out of control yet, so I said let me just organize it ASAP before it goes out of control. I know you might not believe me, but these baby steps will gradually transform your space into one that is free of clutter and beautifully organized. I know you might not want to hear it, and I know you might not want to start, but like I said, just do something small. Start with a small area that does not make you feel overwhelmed, and little as you go, you'll eventually clean, organize, and transform your entire home.
Already hanging by a thread with my world turned upside down. Gravity shook my bed and I tumbled out. Heavy weight landed on my face, still unfazed, 'cause I have my day. Welcome to a new life. Dripping in gold, that's nice. Welcome to a new life.
So this is one of those under cabinet pull-out drawers, and I know that you've probably seen this before. This has been so useful in maximizing the space that I have underneath my kitchen sink. I stored my Mrs. Meyer's sprays, some Bath & Body Works hand soaps, which are my favorites. My best friend and I, we kind of give each other these as gifts all the time, and then some frequent cleaning items. At the bottom, I also added some like duster and little scrubbing brushes. You guys, don't underestimate the power of these. I definitely think I need to get more of them because I love how easy it is for me to see and have access to everything underneath my sink.
The ceiling, a different kind of Perfect Sunday, on the blues. We looked happy, but I was going through, yeah. All my senses, really know it. Said to end it, but I was leaving you and picking daisies, contemplating. Cause you say things, but never really do, yeah. You're never pulling through for me. My intuition's always right. You just proved me wrong, you proved me wrong, you proved it. Then everything unfolded, yeah. It happened in a moment, you broke it, babe. You stayed in my place, you stay in my way.
Let us clean our makeup brushes. This is something that we might not have done for a long time. I know I'm guilty of this. I just use some Dawn dishwashing liquid, that is it, and I have this textured little, I don't know what you call this plastic thing that helps me to clean my brushes. But any kind of glove or mitt, or there are tons of like brush cleaning items that you can actually get. But I love this because it helps me to clean my brushes really nice and effectively. And it goes without saying that you should clean your makeup brushes regularly, because this prevents a buildup of bacteria, dirt, and oils that can cause your skin to be irritated or even break out. And it also helps in preserving the quality and longevity of your brushes.
Everything I did for you's in vain. Cause that's just what I get for trusting you, loving you, taking you for your word. What I get for fucking you, wanting you, why am I defending you too? My intuition's always right. Don't get hot better than FBI. I had your back, but you just proved me wrong. You proved me wrong, you proved it. Then everything unfolded, yeah. It happened in a moment, you broke it, babe. You stayed in my place, you stay in my way. You said you love me just to make me sound insane. Everything I did for you's in vain.
In your day-to-day life, sometimes you can forget about doing things that make you happy and that you enjoy, things that you would have done as a child that you no longer do. Something for me is DIY projects. So you can make time to do a small project. It could be as simple as crafting a handmade card for a loved one, finishing that puzzle you've always been putting off, or building a small bookshelf for your favorite reads. Not only do these activities provide a sense of accomplishment, but they give you the opportunity to express your creativity and personalize your space. For me, I had this wire heart lying about for years, and I had some extra faux florals left over, and I thought to myself, why not take the time today, just 15 minutes, to make this beautiful wreath that I ended up hanging in my home. I feel like as I got older, I realized how short life is, how transient and temporary things are, and all of the things that we've always been putting off and saying maybe next time, we can do right now. We can make the time to do it.
Tell me, babe, why are we playing games with you and me? Everybody else they noticing, baby, focus in on me. Make a move, it's on you. Cause I've been up all night, picking this wine, telling you things
I truly cannot tell you how excited I was to actually be crafting again. It's something that I've put off for so many years. All the things that we used to do when we were younger, we kind of put off. And this was so much fun, and I'm so much looking forward to DIYing more projects and trying out new things and getting into my old craft boxes and seeing what little projects I can do, because time is going to pass you by, and then when you look back at it, you've realized how much you've been living in a rut, how many things you've stopped doing.
All your secrets are the great fire. I know everything about you. Never slip when I'm around you. 'Cause if the world's right and you're wrong, I'ma stick with ya. Ain't nothing in the world I can't fix with ya. Waiting all this time on you. Waiting all this time on you. 'Cause I've been up all night, picking this wine, telling you things, doing you right. Bet it on me, you know you won't lose. I'm laying it out, solely for you, keeping me waiting.
I recently went out with my friends and I got this pretty little strawberry cream filled donut, and instead of just eating it down right there in the kitchen without a care in the world like I normally would have done, I romanticized it a little bit. I had some flowers that I did earlier, and then I had a pretty plate that I put it in. I cut it really nicely and I took the time to enjoy it instead of, like I said, just gobbling it down at the first chance that I had. Whenever you have something that you got to eat or drink, take the time to enjoy it. Take the time to really savor the moment with it. Enjoy each bite as you go along instead of just probably scrolling on your phone. Just really stop and romanticize all of the mundane aspects of your life.
Hesitate, I ain't like them, all of them fake. My friends and lovers, nothing to prove. I'm laying it out, telling for you. So baby, see me through. Now honey, what's the move? Isn't me all you do? Stay with me. Stay with me. Come to me. 'Cause I've been up all night.
If you watched my videos earlier this year, I have started back being in my reading girl era, and it's all thanks to having some book swaps at my shop. And I got this stack of books in my last book swap, so I just thought I would just share it with you. I have been loving reading so much. My first book swap encouraged me to read over 20 books, which is just insane because I've been going from zero literally to reading 20 books. My goal was actually 30 books for the year, but I definitely think I can cross 40 books. Wish me luck. That is the end of today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it and that it inspired you to get some things done today to help you live beautifully. Don't push it off another day. Get it done right now. I will have a full list of things that you can do to add to your day if you're feeling bored or if you're just looking for something to do. Thumbs this video up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe on your way out so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.